3.
Chenro mar sumo pacho ganda ewi chik omenda mar ganario prario kwa adek ganario prario kwa dangwen ma county ma Kisumu no bagi sub counties duto ma county no. Sub county ma Kisumu Central chenro no bagi kar bagoro mama Grace Hall. Chenro no kata kamano no chakore moleo bang jok manok mano chopo ka thuolo malach ka gitemo buono chenro no kaluwore gi kwan mapiny mar ji mano yuoroe. Jopiny no chiwo ywak kaluwore ni thothne tend county okawo okang' makare mano ma solo jopiny e chenro mag sumo paro gino mamiyo kinde ka kinde tend county tiyo gi omenda e chenro ma ok opuodhi gi jopiny.
Mobilization is very key in all these things. Because sometimes you see I might be here, but I doesn't have the right information right from the ground. But if we do thorough mobilization, then it will be right. I would say that I come from railways world. Maybe I was mobilized, but other words as he has just mentioned. Another thing now, being that from 9 to 12, going on this type of luminous book, even if you are a professor, this is a joke, from which university, you cannot go all through this unless you started from the world or from the village, just going with them up to where we are.
County Assembly is only following her. Monoid your views. You to give mankind. They give money because of money. Yes. One car said the media, one day the room with you. Putting are not the room to you. That's what they're going to do. Take it. They do view in a civil like one. Don't want to protest. Mommy, big man. Those are easy member through the county. Give us the views on what you are saying. In fact, move me up and what do we do to discuss?
Ten county makisi ochungo sach